How's it going, everyone? It is Reversal Trade King, where I catch bottoms and tops in the stock market with my unique system that I developed for over 6 years and back tested to make consistent money in the market. And I want to go over Fisker, FSR. People are always wondering, like, Reversal Trader King, where do you think the bottom is? Should I buy in? Should I not? A lot of this trade is based on the news that with the Nissan deal, right? And a lot of people just want to get in and rush to it. And sometimes trading is not easy, right? Where you see this and there's a lot of things you got to look, and a lot of it is just simply just patience and waiting it for it to come to you. And if it don't come to you, you miss out on the trade, but you don't want to back hold. And do keep in mind, guys, I have a premium Discord of only $6 where the win ratio is over 90%, and you get my exact trade alerts and transparency and my thoughts daily on why do I want to take a trade and all that. So do remember that it will be in the comment section. But I want to show you guys the system on how I've been finding these the bottom on Fisker on one of the hardest trades for a reversal with that no one knows what's going on, and it's just been mind-boggling for a lot of people. But with this system, it is holding true to what it's dear, and it has been finding these bottoms very precisely for me. So I get it. There's a lot of eyes on Fisker, and I want to just do an update. I am not in the trade. I know I've made some other, some trades saying this is the levels I looked at. I didn't get to my levels that I wanted. I was looking for a bounce rate in here. It did bounce, but it just didn't quite hit my area. It got very close, and it left without me. And so then I'm looking for a new trade down there. So let me just explain. The bottom band is your potential buy zone. The blue band is where price is always going to hit to it at a certain time frame, of course. And then the upper band is where you can short it, buy puts, and all that. That's your sell zone. So the trades I was looking at, the one thing you want to look at is time distance. That is the best thing with this strategy, is your time distance. If you know that the candles have to paint on the blue band, it gives you one of the highest edges in any strategy, just knowing that. So what if you see a painting that has not been painted for all the way down from here? Wouldn't that tell you that buying the stock at this bottom band right in here is not a bad idea, and you're super safe, right? So what happened here is I calculate the time frame. The time frame was 10:17 to 12:29. So 11:17, 12:17. This was almost 2 months and like 2 weeks, or something like that, which is very long, super long. You don't see that much. So you get this big gap of trades. I don't take any of these trades to about a month and a half of time distance. So we're looking at in this area right in here, and what you want to see is a low K, and some of these are getting avoided because they're higher Ks. So this is the trade you're looking at, and this is where you accumulated. It goes down here. You can take the gains here. As I always say, take the gains, and then always add on to that second bounce of the lower band, as that is where it's going to go to the blue band. And so right in here, you accumulate and make nice returns as this has spiked up to that blue band, and you always sell out once that does it. And there was your painting. This had to be painted. This was your gap of not getting touched. So you get into the lower band, accumulate your shares, and then all of this is accumulated to that blue band, right? So now let's get into the normal thing which you guys want to see. You guys want to see current price action. It doesn't matter if you guys bought in there. Obviously, there's a lot of people back holding, so don't feel sorry. This is one of the hardest trades in the whole stock market, and a lot of people are asking me, get in Fisker. It's just not there for me, right? Yes, I want to get into the hype, and that is what it is. It's a hype kind of play, and a lot of people could make massive amount of money down here, but you also could be back holding, and there's a lot of risk. So you want to make sure the chart aligns. This was the second time I did alert it because of this gap right in here, and just didn't quite reach. But I was like saying this is going to pump, and you can watch my other videos right around this time frame at 222, 221, and then it pumped to the blue band. The paintings has filled it to a T. Literally filled it right here And guess what? The market makers can do whatever they want, and then they decide to flush it to another bottom at the lower band. So obviously now, since this price has been going up, fluctuating a lot, it kind of did mess up the bands, and it's going to take some time to correlate. What I expect to happen is we just kind of consolidate right in here, but if we do break this low, it's going to definitely be a new low, and we could easily go down to halfway of this green band and the right in here. I hope that don't happen. I really don't. I hope this support holds and we get that touch of this blue band again. So you got to remember, guys, these touches of the blue band is where your price target is, and right now it is at 61 cents. It's definitely going to fluctuate, and the best case scenario is you want all these things to turn to an uptrend. So you want to hit the blue band, but you want it to go up. You don't want it to go down, right? So you want it to hit the blue band, hit the red band, correct, bounce, higher highs, higher lows, and I'll see if this had ever an uptrend. I'll show you an example. When this thing was rallying hard, look at this nice little buy signals here, corrects to the middle band. So the system works very well, right? This is what you want to start seeing. This here hits the red band, hits the blue band, and you want to go up. You kind of want to see these blue bands go up. This stock has just had a hard time, guys. It's had a hard time. It's got to be. But I understand all the news. Understand all the hype. But for me, I am going to wait till it gets closer to this green band. And what I also want to see too, guys, is a low K value. The KDJ is right here. This is the K. As you can see, when this K was super high, right in here, it was not really great to buy, even with that blue band, and it went down. I want to see a K near the 5 range. It's at 16.96. So yeah, I am going to keep you guys updated. This is my analysis on it. It has worked to a T, even though it's one of the hardest reversals that I've seen in the market. It has worked very nicely. If you guys want to join the premium Discord, do keep in mind it's only $6. It is a highly active community of finding reversals. It's non-toxic. We uplift people, and it's just nice to be part of a team, and you're not alone into Fisker and be like, man, is this ever... Because there is some people in here that did get in based on the hype news that did get in recently. I'm not shaming anyone, but because this obviously could pump really big. I don't have a crystal ball. I'm just playing the system that teaches what has made me profitable. If I miss out on a trade, I miss out. But if it comes to me, I can make massive money too, right? Because I am getting close to the bottom or pretty precise, right? So do keep in mind there's the $6. You get my exact trade alerts. They're going to look like this right here, limit order to buy such and such at a such and such price. I have a nice accumulation rolls. My setup video is posted right here. I got other resources, and if you want your chart to look like that, please watch it. It's like a 30-minute video, but it goes in very detail on how to use this strategy and to align your chart. And then also, lastly, I'm going to put the link to get into the Discord into the comment section and into the description of my YouTube channel, right? But it will be in the comments and it will be pinned. It will say join the premium Discord for the best trades. And these are the best trades, guys. I spend a lot of time and I'm patient. So these are really nice trades. And when you click on that link, you're not a membership yet, right? It's gonna direct you to free chat. So if you're not new to Discord, you're gonna have free chat. There'll be how to subscribe. Remember to avoid scammers. Since we're a bigger Discord, a lot of people personate me. But the only service I offer is the $6 a month, and you'll access it right here as subscriptions. Hit the premium chat, which will look like this, and you'll be opted in to subscribe into one of the best Discords, in my honest opinion. And I'm not biased. I've been in other Discords that cost hundreds of dollars. They tell you, here's a watch list, buy one of these stocks, and you'll be one of these are bound to make a move. You'll lose on like 7 trades, and then you'll have one lucky trade that did a news article and it moved 100%. But you have no entry and no exit plan, and you're just following someone's advice. At least this, you will have my system, and you can take the trades that feel safe for you. And these are bottom trades, so a lot of these are price is not moving so fast. These are swing trades. So right in here where price is boring and then it shoots up, right? We want price to be boring, and we don't want price to be so, we don't want to ever chase. That's the purpose of this. Where anybody can do this strategy, and I got tired of losing money, so I developed this, and I spent many nights, just focusing on what works for me, and backtesting is the most important thing. It gives you confidence. So yeah, join the premium Discord, and also if you guys like this video, give it a like, subscribe, comment to me what you think about Fisker, what's your average and all that. Any type of engagement spreads this to other retail traders who desperately need a system and an edge that has a nice win ratio and that has confidence, right? So please please do all that, like, subscribe, and also guys, I'll see you in the premium Discord, and peace out.